Unleash your creativity with SkyTOP Construct. You, an innovative and creative engineer eager to monetize your expertise? Do you have the skills and passion to create high-quality, valuable content that your audience will love and pay for? If you answered yes, then SkyTOP Construct is made for you. Why SkyTOP Construct? SkyTOP Construct is a groundbreaking online platform designed to empower content creators like you. Our platform automates the sharing of knowledge and skills globally, aligning perfectly with our motto, create, share, earn. Here's what makes SkyTOP Construct stand out. AI-driven parametric capabilities. Access all relevant information from a single project with just a click, saving you time and money. Unlimited opportunities. There are no limits on the number of projects you can publish. Each unique click on your content generates income for you. Global reach. The platform is cloud-based and accessible worldwide from any device.
Getting started is easy. 1. Open an account. Sign up on SkyTOP Construct. 2. Upload your project. Use our user guide available at www.demoscad.net to learn how to publish your content. 3. Earn income. Start earning with every unique click on your projects. Launch date, July 5th, 2024. Don't miss out on this revolutionary opportunity. For more information, contact us at support@demoscad.net. Our dedicated support team is ready to assist you. Join us in transforming the way knowledge and skills are shared across the globe. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you.